Hi guys, so this video I'm going to be talking about phase 1, step 1, which is kind of where you start getting into the meat of things. So in this step we'll be completing some of the important abstractions for getting and placing pieces on the board. As I mentioned earlier, you might have remembered me talking about get piece, place piece, or I think I called it put piece, but the same idea. And a lot of this you actually won't have to write that much code, but you will be using a lot of abstractions throughout this project, and as I mentioned earlier, it's really important because it saves us a lot of reuse and also makes it very clear as to what our 2048 game is doing. Another important thing is you want to read through these comments before you do any of these functions, because these comments are very helpful in helping you understand exactly what this function should do and kind of giving you clues as to what kind of functions you should be looking at to use to help you accomplish what this function should do. So right here, you might be looking at what this table is, and this table is just a bunch of it's like telling you what's valid and what's invalid. So a lot of what we're going to be doing here is about finding out whether what we're looking for, the piece we're looking for, exists, and also whether it's like they're valid entries to x and y. So if you see like x and y, it has to be an x coordinate and a y coordinate because it's some sort of board. So it's like 2, 3, 3, 1. And you want to check whether or not x and y are actually integers, and also you want to check whether or not these two things actually exist inside the board. Because for example, if you have a 4x4 board and you pick like 5, 5, then there's obviously no way it's going to exist in the board, right? Because your board is only a 4x4. And this table helps you understand what's valid and what's not. So in this part, you want to be able to, one, check if x and y are integers, use assert. So this is basically what assert is going to do. Assert just tells you, okay, if this is actually right, then continue going forward. If it's not right, then you shall not pass, and you end right there. And the function exits right there, throwing like an assertion error or something. So it says we want to ensure that x and y are both integers, so you want to use type for that. You guys can go over this a little bit yourself to see exactly what it means by type and also what an integer type is. And this is actually pretty straightforward. There's only like 2 checks you really need to do, and the checks are all you all have the clues right here. So you won't have to write that much code, but as long as you read it carefully and understand what's going on, you should have no problem. And so the next step is place piece, which kind of has the exact same problems. You want to assert whether x and y are both integers, and then you want to check whether the piece can be placed into the board, because once again, if you are looking